DJI FlightHub 2 update, making complex operations simple. Hello everyone, I'm Aaron Tan, a solution engineer at DJI. Today, I will be introducing the new features of FlightHub 2, Copilot's AI assistant. In the past, operating drones require professional pilots. Software was hard to learn and the response to emergency was low. Complex tasks need multiple people to collaborate. Copilot is changing that. Copilot is an AI assistant that understands natural language. Just tell it what you need and it can automatically control the drone and perform tasks such as flying, building, and searching. Copilot is also very easy to access. Just click the Copilot button in the cockpit, and a chat window will pop up on the right, allowing the user to start chatting with the drone directly. There is a red emergency stop button. Click it, and the drone will stop and hover immediately. So this is a key embodiment of our human-in-the-loop safety principle. Let's quickly see what Copilot can do. For flight control, you can say things like take off to 100 meters, fly over 50 meters, or return to home. Copilot automatically detects the takeoff states and calculates the relative ground level. So you do not need to be concerned with understanding various complex height systems. For camera and shooting, you can also say switch to wide angle and take 3 photos. Copilot will automatically switch lens and take the photos. Let us take a real forestry inspection scenario as an example. Based on the fire status reports, the drone operators use voice commands to assign a task. Check the mountain top for smoke, take photos, and send them back. Copilot analyzes the location, mountain top, allowing the user to adjust or confirm the targets on the map. Then, Copilot generates a mission plan. After user confirmation, the drone executes the mission. Upon arrival, target detection is automatically activated. If smoke is found, the gimbal locks onto it, and the photos are sent to the command center in real time. The operator verifies the smoke or fire location, coordinates with ground personnel, and ensures a swift response. From complex commands to simple spoken instruction, Copilot empowers frontline inspectors with an intelligent Copilot. If you have any question, feel free to leave comments below. Thanks for watching.